Hello, welcome to another project update. So today I have the functionality of the settings menu and also the data aspect of it all figured out. So now it's just a matter of implementing the menu into the game as like something that you can access through the settings. But for now, I am content with what I have done so far. All right, so now it is mute, and that is because currently the audio is, well, actually, the master volume is set to 103, but the music volume is at 0, and that's why you can't hear anything. But yeah, let's launch the game. Now that I'm running it, I'm gonna have to add some menu sounds. All right, so now you can hear the footstep sound effects as I walk around. And you can see here, I kind of just have the menu just permanently up in front of the on the screen. Like I said, just for testing. And of course, I can change settings, and they will immediately affect the actual audio. So now there is no sound whatsoever. Absolutely nothing. And yeah, if I choose so if I set it to 0, it's mute, and then if I choose revert, oh, apparently I forgot to. Okay, so when you choose revert, it reverts it to whatever you previously saved it as. So I save it like this. Set master volume to 0, then choose revert. Yeah, it works. I'm just gonna kind of show that the other channels work. So I can't really test out fanfare right now, but it's basically just the music that plays whenever you get a certain item. Like, you open a chest in Zelda and you get like the da 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 da. That's the fanfare. That's kind of what they. I'm not sure why they call it that. That's just why they call it in games. And footsteps is self-explanatory. If you're walking around, if I can manipulate the volume of that. Yeah, now there's no sounds for footsteps. There we go. Sound effects. I do believe that. Oh, whoops! I didn't mean to do that. I just slapped the microphone by accident when I was reaching for the mouse. Okay. Okay. So that heart sound that is actually mapped to fanfare. I'm not exactly sure why. Oh yeah, it's because the item. I should probably rename it from fanfare to like item get, because it's on the same channel. Yeah, same with the coin sound. But you'll notice that when I broke that bush, it didn't make a noise. I'm gonna find another example. Oh, actually, I think that is a good example right there. I think if I roll into a wall. Oh, actually, the whooshing sound effect from swinging the weapon is a pretty good example. Or rolling into a wall. Ooh, that was really loud in the mixer. Really sorry about that if that like peaked the audio or something on YouTube. I just saw the audio channel spike red. You probably saw it in the OBS because I have it in the viewport right now. But all right, so I save this value. If I open the, yeah, here we go. So everything here matches up with the values here. All right, so the way I have this, I did make some changes to the data in the previous video. I think I had it set up so that it stores it as the um, the logarithmic dB whatever. I don't know. I don't know. The way that the engine handles audio channels is through I think it's a logarithmic float value, but for the sake of simplicity, for my sake, and also for the player, if they want to look at the audio files, I just set it to integers to excuse me a linear integer value so that they're more it's easier to like read and understand. And yeah, so when you change one of these values, it converts the integer into the it uses linear to dB, which is like a built-in Godot engine function that converts a linear number into a number that into like a number that works for an audio channel, and then it sets the audio channel to that value. That's how I set it up. I think it works pretty good. And yeah, that's pretty. I would say that is probably it for today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.